Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Knowledge Kiddos. Here I go with another sensational issue, Israel's Iran attack. Recently, Israel attacked thrice on Iran, one after the other, respectively. Two of them on 3rd July and one of them on 4th July. One cyber attack, one bombing by F-35 plane on nuclear base of Iran, and an attack at the city of Al-Awaz, and in the second attack, Iran lost many missiles and 80% of its total uranium. So now Iran has lost the dream to become a nuclear power. Iran has threatened to retaliate against Israel and US. According to report, Iran believes the attack on Natanz possibly involved the use of cyber warfare. Ghulam Mirza Jalali, the head of civil defense, said that responding to the cyber attacks is the part of Iran's defense might. If it is proven that our country has been targeted by cyber attack, we will respond, he said. Natanz nuclear facility is the primarily used for uranium enrichment and is under the watch of International Atomic Energy Agency, the UN nuclear watchdog. The IAEA confirmed that the location of the fire did not contain nuclear materials and that none of its inspectors was on site at the time of the incident. Tehran's top security body announced on Friday that an incident had been reported at the nuclear facility and it would reveal full details at the convenient time due to security considerations. Images published by Iran's Atomic Energy Organization suggest that there had been an explosion inside the building. An article by Islamic Republic News Agency IRNA addressed the possibilities of sabotage by the enemies such as Israel and United States and warned enemies countries to revise their foreign policies against Tehran. So far, Iran has tried to prevent intensifying crisis and the formation of unpredictable conditions and situations, IRNA said, but the crossing of red lines of the Islamic Republic of Iran by hostile countries, especially Zionist and regime and the USA, means that the strategy should be revised. Iranian officials who spoke to Reuters believed that the fire was a result of cyber attack but did not have any evidence. Iran's nuclear program has been born of co-tension between Washington and Tehran after Donald Trump administration pulled out the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Iran's nuclear situation had been left in limbo. Washington and Tel Aviv blamed that Tehran is using the nuclear facilities for developing nuclear weapons. But Iran claims that nuclear facilities, including the one Natanz, are being used for peaceful purposes. After US pulled out Iran of Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, Iran announced that it would suspend implementation of some parts of agreement, thus escalating the rift between two rivals. Is the Third World War knocking the door? This is not the end of this topic. If you want me to make a video on the history of their war and the upcoming updates about this issue, do let me know in the comment section. Hope you like it.